You urged me as a judge, but I had rather you would have bid me argue like a father.
Cousin, farewell. And uncle, bid him so. 6 years we banish him, and he shall go.
Thrice gracious queen, more than your lord's departure weep not. More is not seen, or if it be, 'tis with false sorrows I, which for things true weeps things imaginary.
It may be so, but yet my inward soul persuades me it is otherwise.
God save your majesty, and well met, gentlemen.
For the sue what you command, which, since we cannot do to make you friends, be ready, for our laws shall arbitrate the swelling difference of your settled hate. Withdraw with us, and let the trumpets sound, whilst we return these dukes for